jar, did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. Like a fish on land. This place must be hell. No more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land.
Chase your tail light. I'll be under your skin, letting you go for a while. Then I'm taking you in. Your face like diamonds, a glimmer and punch. Shiny predator with a golden gun. Space age girl machine. Space age girl machine. Space age girl machine. Thought you lost me, but I'm right behind. I'm dirty and I'm fancy, and I'll make you blind. Your face like diamonds, a glimmer and punch. A shiny predator with a golden gun. Space age girl machine. 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 Space age girl Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning. Drowning in flood, it's overwhelming me. But I guess it's clear to me now. After staring holes in all the walls, don't you cut me off like you did that time. Once was already enough, I'd say. But I wonder if you hear me. Can you hear me?
Today we're gonna craft two simple yet really useful tools. Trust me, these will be of store-bought quality, but you'll save money on buying new ones. For the first tool, we'll need to find an old washing machine. I was lucky to find one at a dump not far from my house, but I don't think you'll have much trouble locating one too. Basically, we only need its motor. You can leave the rest where it was. Fix it on a workbench. You know how to do it, don't you? Remove everything you don't need from the shaft and smack in a piece of wood. Now let's make a cylinder out of this wood. Honestly, I love this moment. Just look at it. That's right perfect. Next we go on to assembling the system that will stretch the sandpaper. Take a couple of metal strips, a door hinge, and a few bolts. Preparing them isn't rocket science, so I'll drop the explanations for each of these before boring you to sleep. Let's make a roller for the bolt that's sticking out to regulate the sandpaper's position with it. We're at the finishing line. A little magic now, and I'll try to bend it with my finger. Yeah, done. Working with such a tool is nothing but a pleasure, especially after making it with your own hands. Okay, let's get started with the second tool. We'll need a broken angle grinder for this stuff, but again, not for all of it. Just use a part of its motor. You can find this part in any electrically driven tool. In fact, even your old drill will do. Now this task isn't hard, but you'll have to be careful not to hack off too much. Basically, you'll need to get rid of spooling. Fix the sandpaper, and you're all set. Just look at this beauty. It just eats the wood, while the quality is awesome. You can also fix the sandpaper another way and easily remove rust from metal, and do it smoothly.